Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today I thought I'd do a little unboxing of my new Baby Yoda animatronic. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. So I thought it would be fun to do a little review on Baby Yoda. So this is the animatronic edition Baby Yoda. I got him at Best Buy, and I tried to find one at Walmart. They were sold out on Amazon. I couldn't find them, but I did find one on Best Buy's website, so I had him delivered, and he was around $59 before tax, I believe. And they do have these now at the Disney store and Disney World as well, but they do come with a bag, so like a bag to put him in, like a side bag that you can travel with him, kind of like a Mando, but it costs $80, so that bag's pretty expensive. But anyways, so I got him again at Best Buy. Maria let me take hers home for a little bit and play with him, and he was super cute, so I was like, okay, I have to get him because he is really cool, and the motions and the sounds and the animatronic, it's just amazing. So I thought I would show you guys my Baby Yoda. So let's see if he works. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's so cute. I know his little ears. Oh, it's so cute. So anyways, he does make 25 plus sounds and movement combinations. So we're going to take him out of the box and show you a little bit more of the Baby Yoda. All right, I got the little guy out of the box and he's super cute. Look at him. So he is like a plastic. The head is a little bit softer. Oh, hello. Oh. Using the Force. I know, it's so tiring to use the Force. Good job, Baby Yoda. But if you check out on the back here, it does show that there is a try me. I don't know if you guys can see that. A try me, an on and an off switch. So right now he's on try me. We're going to switch him to on. And we're going to give him a try. So if you touch his head, that's when he makes the different noises and the sounds. If you touch his head 3 times is when he's supposed to do the Force. So let's try that. Oh, okay. Just kidding. Let's try it again. It worked! All right, let's try it one more time. And so he will continue to make some noises for a little while, and then eventually he'll kind of go in sleep mode. But he also does, see, yeah, he just keeps going. But if you do want him to do different sounds, you just touch his head once. I know. He's so cute. But he does something that is really cool as well. If you lay him down, he will go to sleep. So check this out, guys. Let's try it out. Oh, you're not ready to go sleep yet? Okay. All right, we're gonna lay you down. All right, so he's asleep now. How cute is he? Oh my goodness, look at his little eyes. He's sleeping. All right, let's wake him back up. You just have to pick him back up. I know, that wasn't long enough, was it, Baby Yoda? I'm sorry. Is it time to do the Force again? Yeah? Okay. Good job, buddy. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love him. He is so cute. And like just the animatronics of him is amazing. This arm doesn't do anything, but this is the one that does the force. Right? I know. And his ear movement is just amazing. And his eyes, it's so cute. His ears are kind of rubbery and they say not to mess with them much. So definitely be careful. Oh, okay. Sorry. That's right. Definitely not gonna use your or mess with your ears there, buddy. Sorry. So cute little Baby Yoda, and I am so excited that I got him. But yeah, it does say he does 25. Oh yeah, 25 different motions and sounds. It also comes with the necklace here from the Mandalorian, which is pretty cool. We'll get that out here in a little bit. But yeah, and there's some instruction manual in there, but this is just super cute. I know. Let's try the force one more time. You thought that was funny. Did you steal cookies? Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed checking out Baby Yoda with me, the animatronic, and you had fun, huh, but Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you got one of these guys or if you're excited to pick one up. Like I said, they were selling out at Walmart. I got him. I got him at Best Buy. Super adorable. I know this is a different video than we normally do, but I thought you guys would enjoy checking him out and unboxing him with me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Are you gonna give us a thumbs up, Baby Yoda? Give us a thumbs up. Maybe the force. Oh. Very sleepy. Okay. All right, guys. Well, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Again, leave us a comment down below if you got one of these Baby Yodas or if you're excited to pick one up. Make sure you're subscribed, right, Baby Yoda? Yeah, if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki. He is a realtor here in Central Florida. Baby Yoda's going to use the force. So check out Victor Naraki. He's a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.